Third one, write a Python script to concatenate the following dictionaries to create new one. Okay. So we want to combine three different dictionary into one dictionary. Okay. So how we do it? This we are the same thing. Use update method only. Just click here. So I'm taking three dictionaries here. D, D1, D2 here. Okay. D definition. I want to combine these three dictionary into one dictionary. That's the task here. Simple logic. Take empty dictionary now. D4 is equal to just empty dictionary here, and use the for loop here. For take any variable and take this one D comma D1 comma D2. Okay. You take all these so that all these dictionary keyword pairs is stored in the here. Okay. And use the update method is simple. D4 dot update DIP. Okay. Simple. Print D4. Check the output. See, these two are added now. D4 and D5 added. Okay. Simple one. Just use update. This again in this you have to use update method. Okay. But in dictionary we have to use update method here. Okay. D4 dot update. The dictionary in the we have to pass this dictionary update here. Okay.